Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your Independent Stampin Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making 2 cards from Kendra's Card Challenge number 20. We're going to be doing sketch number 10 and 11, okay? So let me show you that. This is Kendra's Card Challenge. You can go to Kendra Cards Challenges, and she tell you how to get this PDF for free. And I also will have a link in the description box below. So we're going to do 10 and 11, okay? So with these cards, I have been using the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper and Make a Memory scrapbooking kit. But for these 2 cards today, we're also going to be using the Peaceful Greenery embossing folder, the Peace on Earth stamp set, as well as the dies, along with the Peaceful Days stamp set, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Wrapped in Cheer paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 8 goodie boxes. Mossy Meadow is the stamping spot. Abundant Joy add-on dies are available, and it coordinates with October, November, December paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. We have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. You redeem those rewards on future orders, and you track and save your rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. And rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. So track and save means you can accumulate your rewards. You don't have to spend them on your next order. You can collect them till you get enough to, you know, get whatever it is that you're looking to get. Next, we have our starter kit offers where you can spend $35 plus tax and choose $125 worth of products to go into your starter kit, or you can spend $99 plus tax and choose $189 worth of product to go into your kit, and they both ship for free. Both options offer you $90 of product for free. This offer expires on October 31st, 2025 is the last day to get this, okay? Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on these cards because, like I said, we have 2 to make. So the first one, we're going to start by doing some stamping, and I have die cut this out of basic white using the Peace on Earth dies, and we're going to stamp our sentiment. I'm going to, well, I didn't have to turn it, but I need to turn my stamp. I'm going to do it upside down because I want it at the top of this label. I think it's easier for me to do it upside down, although it's a little crooked, but we're going to go with it. We're going to glue this onto a layer of petal pink. Ooh. And it's the larger die from the the die set, from the Peace on Earth's die set. I'm going to have it just like that. And then we have our inside piece here. This is cloud cover, 5.5 by 3 3/4. With some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're gonna just put this on the inside of our card base. Then I have some more cloud cover that I've run through the embossing folder, the Peaceful Greenery embossing folder, and we're gonna layer this onto the front of our card base, making sure to get plenty of adhesive. I'm just going to put that on here just like that. And then we're going to add this. Come on, glue. There we go. Add this right in this little indentation here that the embossing folder made. That fits perfectly right in there like that. And then, looking at my sketch, I'm going to get our little pieces. These are our pieces that go on our card. So we have pattern papers E, B, and D. So we're going to start here with D, and D is this one here. And I am going to, oh goodness, I shouldn't have glued this down. Well, I've done it. So mine's is going to look a little different. because I already glued it down and I wasn't supposed to glue this down yet. Then we're gonna have B, which is this one. And it's gonna be going a little over it like this. Then we're gonna have E. E is more straight, like about like that. Then we're gonna have D again, no, B. B. No, we're having D. That's right. I was right. This one is gonna be like this. Oh, it was supposed to be up higher. Then we're gonna have B. I think I need to move this one a little further over. I only put one dimensional on the back of these just in case this happened. Because the spacing has to be right. And I think I need to move them all up a little higher. Like that. About like that. I'm gonna put this one. Okay. Then this here, I'm gonna do it about right there. And we'll have this last one about right here. Can't let it go over the card, side of the card. Okay, mine's gonna look a little different from her sketch because I was supposed to cut some of these off, but I'm happy with that. And then we're gonna add some of the 25 to 27 in color flat pearls. And I think I'm gonna do, let's do cloud cover. Let's put one right there. Oop. No, not that one. That's a medium size. I want a little one to go right here, like that. Oh, and that's the wrong color. I got secret C. I need cloud cover. There we go. And I think I got secret C on my finger. Yep, I had the wrong color of the other size anyway. And we'll put this one right here, just like that, and call this card done. Again, mine's is gonna look a little different from the card sketch, but that's okay. It's still almost like it. Okay, so let's move on. That was sketch number 10. Let's go on to number 11. Number 11, we have some heat embossing to do. So let me get all of those things out to heat emboss. So we're gonna be heat embossing in white emboss powder. So let me see what I have. Secret C here that I'm gonna heat emboss on. We're gonna get our embossing buddy. We're gonna do it right here in this corner. And I'm gonna get my Versamark ink, and I have my sentiment, my happy place is where I am with you. Ink that up. We're gonna stamp that right here in the corner, just like that. Close up our ink, get our white emboss powder, pour it all over, shake off the excess, and add it back into the container. Get our heat tool and a heat emboss. Okay, so we have that all heat embossed, and now we can go ahead and start putting this card together. So I have our base here of basic white, thick, and it's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have an inside piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're going to adhere that to some secret C that is 5 by 3 3/4. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the inside of our card base. Just like that. Okay. So then we're gonna get our designer series paper pieces. Oh, Here's a piece for the inside. That was part of the pattern paper D. We need to add this right up here. Now the inside pieces, she tells you they're optional. You don't have to use those, but I wanted to use it since we had it cut. So this is pattern paper D, and we're gonna layer these onto some basic white cardstock. Now you get to choose what colors you want to use because you're choosing what paper you want to use. But for her sketches, for the challenge, you use 6 pieces of pattern paper that are 6 by 6 each. And then she shows you how to cut up each one of the papers. And you label them A, B, C, D, and E, and F. Okay, we have that. I'm looking at the sketch here. We're going to put this on to our paper here. And once you label them, you cut them up, and then I label each piece so that once it's cut up, I'll know. Because then you go to the next page of her PDF, and it tells you what card, like what pieces you need for each card. Okay, looks like I cut this a little too long. I'm just trying to get it evenly spaced on there. And this one, we're gonna take it and put it across just like this, like that. Try to get it straight. We're gonna add this to our card base. Just like this. And for this card, I'm gonna pop up an element. Let me get my Stampin' Dimensionals. I die cut from the Piece on Earth dies this dove out of basic white. Come on, peel off the backing. And we're gonna put that about right here, like so. Come on, go up like that. And then for this one, we're gonna use the hues. Oh, I have another little piece I want to put on here. Another piece that I die cut. It's teeny tiny. It's like the star. I almost missed it over there. Ooh. But it's gonna go about right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the hues of blue flowers. This is part of this Peaceful Garden suite. And we're gonna take these little flowers and put them on to our card. So I think I wanna use, let's use the white. Okay, that's it. That card is done. That is sketch number 11. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's bring back number 10. So you can see these are the cards we made today. That's it, that's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.